How to change your password in NordFX.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In NordFX, if you are looking for a way to change your password, then first thing you want to do is to go ahead and sign into your NordFX.com account. Once you're signed in from the main homepage or the dashboard, go ahead and click on the security option from the left-hand side menu. Inside security, you'll see the change password button, click on it, and on the next page, you'll need to enter your current password. Type in your current password in the text box. If you don't remember the password, you can go to the recover button at the top and reset it from there as well. Since I know my password, I'm just gonna go ahead and enter it in the credential box. Now once you are done, click next. You'll then receive a 6-digit verification code sent to you via your email. Just go ahead and check it out and you'll see the code inside it. Go ahead and type it in and click verify. Now enter a new password on the next page. Make sure that you type in the password, which will be easier for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Also, don't forget to include these criteria in the password. Now go ahead and type in the new password once again in the next field. And then once the password matches, click on update password. And you'll be able to change your password for your NordFX account. Super quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.